Hello and welcome to Aiyana Wellness. Aiyana means forever blooming, and that's my goal for this business, is that we are a group of people who are always educating ourselves, exploring, trying new things, meeting new people, expanding our consciousness, and learning how to deal with everything that comes with life. A main component of Aiyana is balance, trying to find balance in all aspects of your life, physically, spiritually, emotionally, socially. And how to find balance is a tricky thing that we never actually achieve. It's just something that we're constantly searching for. The topics that I'll be addressing at Aiyana Wellness will be number one, maintaining your health, and physically, spiritually, emotionally. Number two will be focus, and this includes practices like meditation and breathwork. Number three, building and restoring. This will mainly be focusing on yoga, Vinyasa and Yin yoga. Number four, surrender, and this relates to nature. Spending time in nature and learning to let go of control and surrender yourself to the universe. This will also include wisdom that animals can give us as relates to Native American spirituality. And number five will be receiving energy, receiving vibrations, usually in the form of sound. This will come maybe in different instruments and also vocally through singing. And number six is play. I feel there is a huge need for adults to keep playing physically, finding new movements in your body, finding creative ways to express yourself physically, because I feel like this is a huge benefits can come from this, from play. So yes, those are the 6 topics that we will be covering here at Aiyana Wellness.